wanted to show you my beautiful flower earrings. Here is another design of these earrings. It's basically a hoop earring that you can get from the market at very cheap price. It's a metal earring, and apart from this metal earring, I have used it as zigzag hoop earring for this project. Apart from them, you will need these pre-made flower and buds templates. You can get them from the market, from any craft shop, in bunches. I have my supplies here: some flowers, some buds, and some leaves as well. Apart from that, you will need a glue gun and a scissor. Why a scissor? Because we need to cut this flower stem so that we can paste it nicely on the hoop. But before cutting any of these, what I'll do, I'll mark my earring with these is this way. Put this bud here, and then we'll start wrapping this stem on the hoop earring to secure it. I did this so that it gives me an idea of how I'm going to proceed, if it's looking nice or not, if this combination is doing good for me or not. So it was beneficial for me to fix them with this hoop earring like this before gluing them onto it. See, it looks nice. Now I can glue something over here, maybe another bud or a flower. So I'll glue it simply because now it looks nice. I'll do the same with the other side. I again need it in two colors, the brown and this peach color. Glue gun and some craft basics. Extra stem from this bud. You can use a plier, or you can use, like me, roll it, or you can use scissor as well. Some glue here and here, the help of my glue gun, and I'll paste them over these areas. Also, what happens when you apply the glue on top of it, it secures your jewelry, the flowers on it, really nicely. Now let's affix these flowers. I'll do it in the similar method. I have a bunch of flowers here. The hoop earrings can wear to any party or somewhere, weddings and all, or on your haldi functions. I have also some of these plastic leaves that I'll be using to decorate it further. Here I have some greens also. I'll use these placed here and some of them. Right, apply the same on the other earring as well. Everything is fixed using a glue gun. Thousands of rupees on these beautiful earrings when you can make them yourself. It's not a lot of time, just 100 rupee hoop earrings, some flowers and all. The total cost of all of this is, I think, around 250 and no more than that, depending on the hoop earrings that you have chosen, and also depends on the flowers that you choose. You can mix and match with your outfits and make it for your friends. You can make these as a bridesmaid gifts. There are so many different things that you can do with these earrings. Also, you can start a business of your own using this idea and start earning. I hope you enjoyed this video. You liked how we turned our simple hoop earrings into flower earrings. If so, just like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.